Hello everyone.
Welcome to Food as Medicine channel. This quick sambar or one pot sambar is dedicated to all women and bachelors. This is a quick method recipe and it reduces time and money. This preparation will take only 25 minutes of time. Let's see it. In a dry pan, take half cup of tur dal and roast it. It will take 2 minutes for tur dal to get roasted. It should not stick to the bottom, so stir it continuously. After 2 minutes, you will get a nice aroma and it also turns light brown. Take out the roasted tur dal and transfer to a plate. Cool it down. Add 4 pinch of hing for flavor. Just grind it in a mixie to a fine powder. It will take minimum 2 minutes to get the fine powder. In a cooker, take 1.5 spoons of ghee and heat it. Then add 1 spoon of mustard seeds and wait until it splatters. Add 1 spoon of cumin seeds. Once you added cumin seeds, you will get a nice flavor out of it. Add 1/4 spoon of fenugreek seeds. This will give nice flavor to the sambar. Add 2 red chilies. Add 5 curry leaves. And then add 4 pinch of hing for flavor. Add 5 garlic which is crushed already, and you can also add full garlic, but it will not give a flavor as like a crushed garlic. We have to fry this in the ghee for some time so that you will get a nice aroma out of it. Once it gets light brown, you can start adding other ingredients. Now add 8 small onions. Small onions, ghee and garlic will give a nice flavor to the sambar, and those are the heart of the sambar. Add just half tomato, that is enough because we are going to add tamarind water to this. Just mix it very well. Start adding half carrot, 1 potato and 5 drumsticks to this and mix it very well. You can add any vegetable. As I am going to prepare for idli sambar, I have added potato, carrot and drumstick, which will give nice flavor like a hotel sambar. Add 1/4 spoon of turmeric for color. Add 1 spoon of salt to this. I have added rock salt. If you don't have rock salt, you can add normal salt. Just mix it very well. Already soak lemon size tamarind in water for 10 minutes. Just extracted 1 liter of tamarind water and I am adding it here. Add 2 1/4 of sambar powder to this. You can also add 2.5 spoons of sambar powder if you like spiciness. Mix the sambar powder very well with the liquid so that it will not form any lumps. Add 3 to 5 spoons of tur dal powder. Instead of cooked tur dal, we are adding this. This will reduce our time and money. Actually, tur dal will not produce any lumps, but anyway mix it very well and then we can cook it. After adding tur dal powder, you will get the consistency of sambar and also the color is changed. This is actually a nice and quick method for working women especially. This will reduce time and money. Now close the cooker with the lid and put a weight and give 4 to 5 whistles. After 5 whistles, take out the lid and check the sambar. It is ready. Tasty sambar is ready. Just transferring to the serving bowl. Sprinkle some coriander leaves on top of the sambar. This will give nice flavor to it. Now mix the sambar very well. Now check the consistency of the sambar. It looks like a original sambar. Dip the idlis in this and serve it with hot sambar. Pour half spoon of ghee in this, that will give a nice flavor to the idli and sambar. You can also try this quick sambar method and reduce your money and time. Try this recipe and leave your comments. Thank you.